Hello, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to print your report cards so that you can send them to families. First, you're going to come into StrongMind and you're going to choose School. Then you're going to do Reports. Instruction is your only option. And then you're going to choose CMPS Report Card. Once that loads, you're going to choose your school year, the term. If you sent out first semester report cards, then you can just do second semester. If you want to send them both, you can choose both. Then you come over to grade level, select all. Program is options, and then find your name and choose that. And then you can view the report. Once the reports are printed, first way you can do this is in Microsoft Word. So you'll download it as a Word file, and you'll open that up. You'll enable editing. Then you can go through and you can fill in the blanks if you like, put your signature, any comments you want. Then when you go to File and you're going to save it, you will save it as, or print it rather, sorry. Print, go to print. You're going to choose Adobe PDF to print. It'll print it straight to a PDF for you. Be sure that you're just choosing the one page that you're working on so that you're not sending out other copies to other scholars. Then you can choose Print. You'll be able to name it, so I would maybe put R Bravo Report Card, if I can spell correctly. Report Card 1819. Then you can save it. And it's going to come up in your PDF file. And if you then it's saved as a PDF, and it will have all your information in here already. And then you can save that to your Google file if you want, or however, wherever you want to save it. You can do that, and then it will be saved individually so that it's not accidentally going to other people. The other way you can do that is just go straight to a PDF. If you right click and then choose Show in Folder, and then right click on that again and choose Edit with Adobe Acrobat, it will put them all together. If you come over here to the right where it says Organize Pages, you can choose that. Choose Split. Then be sure that it says number of pages to split into. You just want one, and you choose Split. And then they're all separate. So what you can do is you can come into your download files, and it will give you one of your report cards. You can right click it, open it. There I have Ramses Bravo again. Then you can just add your signature. If you want to make any comments, you can just come over here and choose Edit PDF, add text, and I'm just going to put hi. Spread that out, and do it that way. Then you can do the same thing. You can file, save as. I would save it to my drive, or you can save it to your desktop, however you want to do that, and then put it where you want it, and then you have it saved. So I hope that wasn't too quick and it was helpful, and if you have any questions, definitely be sure to ask. Thank you.